Many gardeners encounter this issue during plant growth. This situation is sometimes associated with Colletotrichum truncatum. Common indications include anthracnose typically does not produce obvious symptoms but can affect the stems, fruits, and leaves of soybeans. Symptoms may only become noticeable during the reproductive stages of plant development. When weather conditions are hot and humid, small, dark, irregularly shaped spots appear on the stems and fruits. These spots may also be covered with small, black dots. Leaves may curl while the leaf veins turn brown. In severely infected fruits, the seeds produced may be small, moldy, and lose their ability to germinate. Seedlings infected at an early stage may die from waterlogging. It often develops under certain conditions such as the pathogen can survive for more than a year on infected plant parts. Fungal spores produced on infected tissues can be carried by wind and rain to the upper leaves. Typical infection occurs when leaves remain wet, especially during periods of rain or fog lasting more than 12 hours per day. In general, this disease may have a negligible effect on crop yield, but crop and grain quality can be reduced. In areas with favorable conditions for disease development, such as moist soils and hot, humid weather, harvest losses can be significant. Natural remedies that may help include, to date, no biological treatment has been proven effective against soybean anthracnose. If the condition continues to spread, some treatments may involve. Always consider combining preventative measures with biological treatments, where applicable. Cues. Where applicable. If the percentage of infected grains exceeds 5%, fungicide treatment should be considered. Foliar applications of fungicides such as chlorothalonil, mancozeb, copper, propiconazole, and thiophanate methyl can help control this disease. For better prevention in the future, sow high-quality certified seeds. Consult seed retailers to select highly resistant varieties. Maintain a minimum row spacing of 50 centimeters. Regularly monitor crops and clean farming tools and equipment. Store seeds at room temperature. Plow and cover crop residues or burn them after harvest. Rotate soybean crops with non-host plants to help prevent conditions that favor disease development. The key point is that brown spots appear on the fruits and stems, leaf veins turn brown, and the leaves curl. Seedlings may die from waterlogging. For more plant care tips, consider following this channel.